nail queens, and welcome back. So today's video is a vlog. Yes, so hopefully this isn't too shaky or anything for you guys. I have like this apparatus that has a microphone right here and I hold it, but obviously my hand moves. So I'm going to take you guys on a vlog. I know on my first vlog I did, I was like, I'm going to show everyone step A through step Z on how I go about making my YouTube videos, the thought process from content creation and all that. And then I did the video and I feel like I didn't achieve that. So I'm going to sit you guys down today and we're actually going to do that together. So here's my nail desk. I have some content to create for a company and I figured I would just like actually do what I said I was going to do the last vlog. Okay, so what am I working on? I have like 6 packages on my desk right now, but I have one company who I'm doing work for. What I mean by that is I am creating content for this company and they are paying like a licensing fee, meaning they get to use the content wherever they want in all of their social medias and also getting paid to actually do the content creation. So I have to do the project for them. So they already sent me the product. It got to me yesterday, but I need to open it up and look at all the products they sent and start working on it. So I get creative freedom on this one. I've done a couple other projects with them that I didn't get the creative freedom, like they told me exactly what they wanted me to do, but this time I get complete creative control over this and I'm excited for that for once because I haven't had that same creative control in the past. So they sent a bunch of dip powders. I got to actually pick the dip powders this time. So I need to go through and figure out which one is which because this week's project I have to create a purple manicure. And like I said, creative freedom, but they release nail lacquers, so polishes. And part of the goal and the job is to introduce these polishes in the manicure footage that I have to create each week. So I'm like taking everything out. Okay. So I have no clue what any of these things are. So I'm going to switch my camera over to this camera so you guys can see things a little differently. Okay, we're on my desk view and I hope this helps because I can just turn this so you guys can see my desk. So that's what I'm going to do. So hi. Okay, so unfortunately these boxes aren't labeled in the way that I could really understand. Okay, there's a purple right there. So that's probably my purple color polish that I have to do for my first project. Let's see, that's a red. Is that a red? I thought they weren't sending reds. Oh well. I'm really excited for this project because I haven't done something like this per se. I've created content for this company before. I've been working on it for the past few months and I've really enjoyed. Ooh, this is a pretty color. What is this one? Nail Flex and Chill. I saw Nails by Sahira wear the dip powder version of that and it is so pretty. Anyways, yeah, I've created content for them in the past, but it was different kind of way, so I really appreciate the opportunity. And I don't know how people feel about talking about money, but obviously this is like paid work because I'm doing work for them to put this on their social medias and they make money off of it. If people like see the video and they're like, oh, I want to buy something because of that. So any creator who does work like this, I like absolutely respect because it is not easy and you always want to like make sure they're my client basically, and I want to make sure they're satisfied with the product that I'm giving them. So I prioritize this over other things. Ooh, that's a pretty color too. I can't believe I'm saying purple is pretty. But ooh, that's a blue. So they gave me a project and each week is like a different color or theme that I have to work on, but I'm super excited for it. Okay. And I got to pick out all these colors, but I wasn't sure if these would like look the same in real life as they do in person. I'm looking for that purple powder. See, I've already unboxed these and I still can't find the purple powder. Watch it be the last one I pull out, you know, that would be very amusing. No, what? Okay, am I missing a dip powder? So none of these are purple. Uh-oh. I have to check my emails. Okay, I just went through everything I have and it looks like I'm missing a powder and one was sent in error. Not a powder, a polish. So I'm gonna have to make it work somehow with 2 of the 3 that I had picked out. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm very excited to try their polishes because I've never tried them before. But I had like a vision per se, I think, on what I wanted to do. Let me check my Pinterest board. I saved some inspiration. I have a Pinterest board specifically for this company so that I can draw inspiration from a variety of different manicures to fit the theme that we have discussed. So, okay, I think I found an inspiration that I like. So I'm gonna take parts of this. I don't know, I'm just like rambling on at this point. I can definitely do a mani with just these 2, but I need white, so I might have to pull out my Here's a Tip white dip powder and use that with this. Okay, so here goes the content creation portion. I am going to use Peel Base as always. I'm trying to figure out which hand I want to do this on. I'm going to do this hand. Should be pretty simple. So I'm gonna do Peel Base on this hand, and I stupidly did not research TikTok style ideas because they want the completed product. And I usually just like film the project, and then come up with the ideas later. Not really good at before and afters, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna put my Peel Base and do some research and I will be back. Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I am going to wing it this round, but sorry, I'm putting my tablet away. Okay, whatever. Okay, so what I have to do is set up my desk for filming. So that means I have to move everything out of the way that I will not be using. This is actually all garbage because it's all of the packaging. Can you be any louder? We have a new, whatchamacallit, printer, and I'm still not used to it. So I have to move things out of the way. So I'm just gonna move it to the left, to the left, to the left. Everything you own in a box to the left. Not a box though. We're just gonna move it onto the left. So it's just gonna chill over here. And the stuff I am going to use is gonna hang out right here. I have a nail mat. So I have this glittery nail mat and I bought this like placemat cover from the Dollar Tree. It's for like your kitchen. So I put it on top to diffuse how like crazy the glitter shows up on camera. So I have there's a glossy side, but I prefer the matte side because there's no reflectiveness. And that's what I used for my background on most of my videos. So I have my mount. So I actually have you guys are on a mount right now. And I'm gonna flip, I have 2, it's a dual arm mount. I just upgraded it to it. So I have this, and then I set up my actual physical recording camera. This is what I usually use to record. So I set that up. Wow, the view looks nice from over here. You guys can't see it. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it. Right there. Hello, guys. Yeah, so so grateful for this viewfinder. Okay, so I'm back. I finished part 1 of the project. I even ran downstairs and took pictures very quickly because this is nail polish. The main reason I work with dip powder is less likely to chip and all that, and I hate waiting for nail polish to dry, which I experienced quite a few issues of where I was going in way too soon on the polish. Trying to make sure that's dry, and it was like smearing the design. So I actually went downstairs and I took a photo before I even top coated this one, the middle finger. I top coated this one, but I didn't top coat this one because I tried top coating it once and it smeared so much of the white polish everywhere that was like, clearly I have a weighting problem here. So I ran downstairs, took photos of this without being top coated, and this is done. I'm super excited. It turned out really pretty, despite the fact that like part of it smeared. You can probably see it right there. So it turned out pretty. This is the kind of purple I like. I like this kind of purple. I don't like the dark purple, the royal purple. Sorry, I keep like touching things and this fingernail is still wet. We're about to actually go to the gym right now. and then grab dinner after the gym. So that's why I was like prepared and in my gym clothes, because I knew I would not be able to change into gym clothes with drying nail polish. So hopefully by the time I get to the gym, this is completely dry and I can do my workout without like any issues, because I know I'll probably be very irritable if I smudge this. So anyway, so I will catch you guys the next time I tune in. I have packages here on the floor I still have to go through. So hopefully I have time to go through that. And I want to take you guys through my editing process as I'm working on editing the footage for this company, and I sent it to them. So I know it's different than what I usually do. Probably 95% of the content I create is for myself, for my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok. But every once in a while I do content for other brands. So I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoy this inside look of creating content for a brand from start to finish. Bye. At this point, I start editing everything. Once I'm done editing, then I submit the product to Nailboo, which is who I'm working with. If it was like a different company, I would submit that to them, how they asked for it. Or if it was my YouTube channel, then I would upload it to my own YouTube channel. It's as simple as that. So